Hey, hello everyone. So in this video, I will be sharing you about my Cognizant interview experience. So it was an on-campus placement and it had about 3 rounds. So my interview was for Cognizant Gen Z Next role. Okay, so if you are having Cognizant Elevate or some other type of role, I think the similar pattern will be applied for you. So you can just go through the video. So let's get started. So as I told you earlier, I had 3 rounds. So the first round was MCQ and coding round, and the second round was technical interview round, and the third one was like as usual the HR round. So these are the contents what they had in the first round. Critical MCQs had like debug the error in line, predict the output, and it also even had some of the MCQs from CSS and JavaScript as well. So whoops, as usual, whoops, SQL queries, DBMS, networks, and OS. So these are some of the general topics. But I was surprised to see some of the MCQs from JavaScript and CSS. So it was around like 20 to 30 questions, and majority of them were really hard. Okay, so I managed to answer only like 10 to 15 correctly, I guess. This is the MCQ part. Okay, so the coding round had 4 coding questions and 2 SQL queries as well. So they had like fully proctored system. Okay, so they had like a metal browser, I guess. So you need to share your screen, you can't switch tabs, you can't do anything, so you need to do just inside particular browser. So four out of the 4 coding questions, I think like anyone can answer two. Okay, one was using arrays and another one was string. So I think everyone can answer 2 questions. The other two could be answered, but it was like quite hard. And SQL queries were, I guess, too easy. So I think like anyone can answer 3 out of these 6 questions. And the next round is a technical round. So if you do well, automatically they will call you for technical round. And I had about for around 30 minutes, and they just start with some of the basic intros, and the majority of the questions were from OOPS and SQL concepts, so you need to have like really good understanding in those things. So OOPS, as you know earlier, basically like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and here they asked me to give some real world examples. So like using private, protected, public. So I gave an example related to bank, like the customer details should not be given to everyone, and that was an example over there. And they also asked in-depth questions, like they asked many questions in DBMS in SQL also. So SQL, I had like questions like what are joins and the types of joins. So there is outer join, left join, right join, etc. And this question, difference between delete, drop, and truncate. And I even had live coding. Okay, they even had a IDE which they can edit and do that stuff. So live coding questions were like really simple. So sum of even numbers in an array, some that pyramid pattern, you can know that asterisk pattern or the number pattern, and some matrix sum. So live coding, like they are just asking some basic questions, not the lead code ones, really hard ones. These are some like anyone can clear. So even if you know array, you can just somehow manage the live coding. And as I told you earlier, SQL statements like DML, DCL, DDL, DQL. So they asked me to explain what are those and give an example for them. And if you just don't know any question, you can just say don't know, and it's absolutely fine. They will just go on to the next question. So it was like 30 minutes fully full. It was like a rapid quiz. So it's like full fast. And this was the technical interview round. And if you do well, they will just call you to the next round, which is the HR round. So HR's round is like really simple. They don't ask you any questions. They just ask you how was your interview, and they'll just ask some 2 3 formality questions like are you okay with relocation and do you know any foreign languages, and they just ask you to screen share your 10th 12th mark sheet and PAN card, other kind of stuff, just for verification process. So these are like some of the questions, the pattern that they followed for my interview. And mine is a programming channel. I have done many tutorials in SQL interview questions as well, so you can also check them, and many programming tutorials in C, C++, Python, Java, and as well as Blender, which is 3D animation. So you can check my other videos of my channel, subscribe and support me, and thanks for watching.